Kristin, I take you as you are.
Loving who you are now and who you are yet to become.
Loving who you are now and who you are yet to become.
I promise to listen to you.
I promise to listen to you.
And learn from you.
And learn from you.
To support you and accept your support.
To support you and accept your support.
I will celebrate your triumphs.
I will celebrate your triumph.
And mourn your losses.
And mourn your losses.
As they were my own.
As they were my own.
I will love you and have faith in your love for me.
I will love you and have faith for your love in me.
Through all of our years.
Through all of our years.
And all that life may bring us.
And all that life may bring us.
Jeff, with this ring I marry you.
And join my life with yours.
And join my life with yours.
Accept this ring.
Accept this ring.
As a sign of my love and faithfulness.
As a sign of my love and faithfulness.
For all the years to come.
For all the years to come.
I think that meeting Kristin is the best thing to happen to Jeff. Having spent time with her and her wonderful parents and family, I feel really good about the future. Kristin's absolutely the sweetest person, and I think they're a perfect complement to each other. Anyways, I love you guys, and I wish you all the best. A healthy, happy, and very long life together.